So after the passing away of Brother Ziyad, may Allah have mercy upon his soul, and the rise of prices because of the COVID, labor market and supplies became very expensive. The cost was showing up as high as 25%. Then we started the process of looking for another architect, another firm. And after going through many, we selected one architect company. They came, they looked at everything what we wanted, and after a few months they gave their plan, which was 16 million, and that was totally beyond our capacity, and we thought we cannot do accept their proposal.